to start creating our probability tree, we're going to start with our root, and we have two possibilities if we're classifying by gender. We have female and we have male. And we know on our first selection, because we have 10 students, the probability of a female is 6 out of 10, and the probability of a male are 4 out of 10. Now on our next selection, we also have the probability of female or male, and female or male. Now on our second set of branches, which is our second selection, we're going to fill in our conditional probabilities. So we have 5 out of 9 females left on this branch. And we'd have 4 out of 9 males left on this branch. For female, on this branch, it would be 6 out of 9. And remember, these are conditional probabilities, and then 3 out of 9. And we're not done yet because we have a selection of one more student. It's important when you're doing your probability trees to make sure that you leave enough room. Sometimes you can get quite a few branches. And female and male again for the options for the third one. So this will be the last set of branches that we have. All right, so on our third set of branches, we need to fill in our conditional probability. So on the third one, the probability that it's going to be female would be 4 out of 8. The probability that it would be a male is 4 out of 8. Female here on these branches would be 5 out of 8. Male here would be 3 out of 8. Female on the next one would be 5 out of 8. Our next one for male would be 3 out of 8. Female would be 6 out of 8 here, and male would be 2 out of 8. Okay, our next step is to make sure that when we multiply these together, they give us 1. So we'll have 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9 multiplied by 4 over 8, and that'll give us 0.17. On the next one, we have 6 out of 10 multiplied by 5 over 9, 4 over 8, which will be the same as the first one, which will be 0.17. On the next one, we have 6 out of 10, 4 out of 9, and 5 out of 8, and that'll give us 0.17 again. Next one, we have 6 out of 10 multiplied by 4 out of 9 multiplied by 3 over 8, and that'll give us 0.1. Down on our next set of branches, we'd have 4 out of 10 multiplied by 6 out of 9 multiplied by 5 over 8, which will give us the 0.17. Next one would be 4 out of 10 multiplied by 6 out of 9 multiplied by 3 out of 8 will give us 0.1. Next set will be 4 out of 10 multiplied by 3 out of 9 multiplied by 6 out of 8 will give us 0.1. And our last one, 4 out of 10 multiplied by 3 out of 9 multiplied by 2 out of 8 will give us 0.03. Now when we add all these up, the 0.17 3 times plus 0.1 plus 0.17 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.03 does in fact equal to 1, so our probability tree is completed.